Hi, I'm Eliza.
My name is Isaac.
I'm Joy, and I'm Isaac and Eliza's mom, and we've been running a Tech to Save Us workshop in our kitchen today.
I read of it in my BBC Focus magazine. I think that small computers like Arduino, or Raspberry Pi or Microbit are getting a lot better and a lot easier to use.
I think what's nice about it is it's sort of really multifunctional.
Sometimes the curriculum in schools is a bit old-fashioned and stodgy, and I really think that, so I think it covers all the bases in terms of both classics training and creativity. You know, it erases the mystery behind these things. Like, it is what it is, and it's something tangible.